Hi everyone. So let's do today's Lead Code Daily Challenge question. So I've also not seen the question. I'm sure this is easy because it is labeled easy. Okay. You are given a string s of even length. Okay. So I'm given a string s of even length. So the string size is always even. Split this string into two halves of equal lengths and let A be the first half and B be the second half. Okay. So I need to split these strings into two halves like B, O, and OK. Equivalent. Can I split it like BK and OO? No, I don't think so. Right. Two strings are alike if they have the same number of vowels. Because, uh, yeah, they have the same number of vowels. Oh, okay. And notice that S contains uppercase and lowercase letters. Okay, got it. So it means that if I split it into two halves of equal length, and if two halves both are alike, it means that the number of vowels, right? So number of vowels is the length is one here and the length is one here. So it means that they are alike. And return true if A and B are alike, and otherwise return false. Okay. Uh, yeah. So it means that even length. So suppose if the length is not 4, because if the length is 4, then I can only split it into two halves, like 4 divided by 2, 2 only, right? But if it was 6, then I could have split it in two halves, 3, 3, right? Suppose if it was 8, then I could have split it in two halves using 4, 4 of equal length, or um, how would I have split it otherwise? 8 divided by 2 is 4, 4, and then yeah, if it was 8, then length of 8, then it would be only 4, 4. If it was length of 10, then it would be 5, 5. 12, then it would be 6, 6. What if it is? What I'm thinking about uh, is there only one way to divide the string into two halves of equal lengths? I think so, right? Because to divide any string into two halves of equal lengths, the string length should be even, right? And if it is even, then I'll just have to divide it by 2. Suppose if x is the string length, then if I divide it by 2, whatever is the answer, that is my half. What are the other ways that I can divide into two halves of equal length? No, there is only just one way. Silly question. Because if there is a string, then there is only one point. There is only one midpoint. There cannot be different midpoints. There will be midpoint of another half and another half, right? But there will just be one midpoint. So I can only divide a string into halves only one way. Okay, and okay, then it should be easy, isn't it? Then so suppose if it is textbook, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So length is 8. So I will just count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vowels are here? How many vowels are here? If the length is same, then I'll return true, otherwise false. Or is there another way to split it? I mean, can I split it like I don't think that I can split it. Like suppose if it is B O OK. Then I don't think I can split it like OO and then BK, right? That is not even a splitting. So this would be really easy. Yeah, actually, I do not even have to think of all these clarification questions if I just looked at the example here, because if you can see that in example, they are just splitting like this. So why is this question super easy? As the length is 2 to the 1000 and it is even, it may consist of upper and lower case. Oh my god, it's too easy. Too easy to be true. Halves are alike. Am I streaming or not? Yes, I'm streaming. Uh, Halves are alike. Sure. If SI. I was thinking that I will just skip one vowel count and then increment in first half and decrement in second half. If it is not equal to 0, then it would be like, but let's make it simple. Hmm. This function is correct. If it has, then it means that it is a vowel. So, um, isn't it? So suppose if it is 4 and then divide by 2 will be 4 divided by 2 will be 2. So it should be 0 and 1, right? It should be less than 2. Then only it will be first half. Otherwise it will be second half. And I will return if it is equal or not. If it is equal, then I will return true, otherwise false. Where is has? Oh, this is not a set. Hmm. Got accepted. But looks like there is even better solution. Count vowels in place. So time complexity is often and space complexity is often. Space complexity is so fun. Space complexity is so fun. Hmm. Why would they do this? Okay, I think this is this is the optimal answer. And because space complexity is also one only here, and time complexity is obviously of n. This is a super duper easy question. Um, okay, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Um,